लाइफ हिल गई शूट हो रहा था, मेरी लाइफ गाड़ी सब हिल गई थी भाई. मैं I was going to see her and there was this truck that came running down from the slope and bam,
Yeah.
and she
That
fasted
was
for me
scary.
Karwa Chauth. This was before the wedding.
Before the wedding.
Who's more likely to forget the anniversary? What a look.
You got your trailer.
Glad.
When you are acting, so in real life when you meet people from the industry, हमें नहीं पता है कि उनकी acting रुकी कब है.
क्या बात है.
Isn't that true?
Guys,
Very
थोड़ा
true, very true.
सब पॉज करके अंदर लेना पड़ेगा जो बात बोली है. हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू ठीक टॉक विद ठाकुर. आज सेकंड टाइम हमारे इतने सारे एपिसोड्स में हम ऐसा करने जा रहे हैं कि हमारे साथ एक कपल गेस्ट है. एंड कपल गेस्ट हमारे साथ जब भी एक साथ आ भी जाता है, इंट्रोडक्शन तो हम उनका अलग अलग करते हैं. सो द लेडी फर्स्ट, अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट पर्सनली फॉर मी. आज की हमारी गेस्ट बहुत ही वर्सेटाइल है. थार में बैठ के उन्होंने जर्नी में तय किए कई माइल है. इनका ऑरा प्यारा प्यारा है, बट इनकी फेवरेट डेट 11/11 है. ये अगर आपको कहीं पे भी मिल गई तो समझो आपकी लाइफ हिल गई. टुडे वी विल डिस्कस एवरीथिंग विद हर फ्रॉम हर जर्नी टू हर वेडिंग स्टोरी. प्लीज वेलकम द स्टनिंग बॉलीवुड छोरी मुक्ति मोहन.
What an introduction,
Thank you,
यार.
thank you. I loved it when बीच में ना कुणाल का हंसी ऑफ अप्रूवल आया ना. I was like, okay, we'll move to Kunal's intro.
Okay.
The other guest, हमारे दूसरे गेस्ट एक्टिंग के साथ साथ स्टाइल और चार्म से भरे हुए हैं. इनका दिल एकदम देसी है, पर ये आबू धाबी में बड़े हुए हैं. ये जिंदगी की हर कसौटी पर खड़े हुए हैं. अपने अंदर के एनिमल को चैनलाइज करके ये आगे बढ़े हुए हैं. ये कबीर सिंह के दोस्त हैं, पर एंगर से रहते हैं दूर. प्लीज वेलकम द कूल एंड डैशिंग कुणाल ठाकुर.
Sir, thank you.
वेलकम गाइस.
Crazy introduction.
That was
Thank you.
quite the introduction, brother.
Yeah.
किया ना मैंने justice.
Wow, you slammed it.
So I know Mukti since college and credit to her that कभी कभी होता है ना, when you start working really hard or you change a profession, life happens, your core nature changes. You know, even though you don't want to, but the hardships change you.
Yeah.
She is still the same. She can walk into a room और मतलब ऐसा लगता है लाइट थोड़ी ज़्यादा जल रही है.
Yeah.
म्यूजिक थोड़ा ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है.
Oh,
एंड आई
sweet,
लव
yeah.
दैट अबाउट हर. सो आई न्यू कि यहाँ पे आके फन होने वाला है. देन आई मेट यू फॉर अ बिट दैट डे एंड आई वाज लाइक, मैं मुक्ति लेकर एक्साइट हो रहा था. शी इज फाउंड अ पार्टनर हु इज ऑलमोस्ट एग्जैक्टली लाइक हर. ही ब्रिंग्स हिज ओन एनर्जी, हिज ओन ऑरा. तो मैंने बोला भाई, मैंने टीम को भी बोला ये एपिसोड में एनर्जी भी थोड़ी हाई रहेगी, थोड़ा
बहुत
वाइब
मजे
भी
आने
एकदम
वाले
क्रिएट हो जाएगा. सो आई एम
Full
वेरी
on.
एक्साइटेड दैट यू गाइज आर हियर. एंड हम लोग तुम दोनों की बातें कर रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा शुरू से शुरू करते हैं कि वी हर्ड दैट द फर्स्ट टाइम यू गाइज मेट was actually for a project that never materialized.
Yeah.
Is that like true? Like, can you shed some light on that?
No, please you say.
So, no, I think you
No,
were
before we go into our story, Yash Thakur. I am a Thakur now, by the way. और मैं मतलब ये इंट्रोडक्शन मैं बता रही हूँ, इवन बैक स्टेज आई वुड लव टू से दैट टू यू. आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ यू
Thank
फॉर
you.
killing it. Not even a bit. I felt like you have written it, or you're writing content, or you are in the creative field, because there's some people who saja ke, you know.
Correct.
And this is the natural flow. This is who you truly are. And now the world is seeing this. So I'm so happy that
Thank
you
you.
have your
Means a
own
lot.
show.
Yeah.
और वो ठीक ठाक शो नहीं है, सुपर हिट शो है.
Thank you.
And thank you so much for calling us and having us here. This is the first time we are actually doing a podcast together.
Yeah, this is the first time we're doing
Then
it.
As
we
a
are so
couple.
happy.
Yeah.
We are so happy
Yeah.
that that's happening here.
Yeah. And now coming to our journey. So we met for a project. The project didn't happen, but we happened.
Absolutely.
And the most amazing part is we instantly didn't like hit it off, and then now we are like, you know, best friends, and then now we are falling in love, and then we got married. There was a gap in the middle. There was 1 year of silence. But
Silence between you two.
Yeah. Which actually made us wonder that actually, like, this is what we need. This is what we got a glimpse of 1 year ago, and let's get back together and help each other out. And this is the exact studio where we met.
क्या बात है.
Yeah.
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 And then there's no looking back.
Kunal, how was it when you first met Mukti the phenomenon?
Arre.
I think I was all over the place. Like, I think everybody as an actor or as a creator in this field is, there's too much of energy around you. So I was also jumping from one thing to the other, one meeting to the other, one project to the other, and trying to keep myself as busy as I could and as productive as I could be. Of course, in the hustle bustle of life, I have genuinely developed a culture of understanding the industry first, because I didn't know anything about it when I came here. Second, appreciating the real raw talent, whether it be a director, actor, screenplay writer, musician, singer, anybody. So I think, and there aren't many of them.
Correct.
You can count them on your finger. One of the artists is, I think, her. So I was
sweet.
like, she is a good actor. I want to work with her one day. And cut to, I get a call from a director, and he says that, hey, there is a short film that we're looking to make, and we'd love to have a meeting with you. And this is the actor in front of you. Mukti Mohan is her name. So I was like, wait a minute. Really?
Manifested and how?
Because I'd got locked for Bahubali at that time, and I was in the middle of just doing Kalari and horse riding early morning. Cut to this particular call. I was like, now should I focus everything on this, or should I pick this up too? Yes, I said to myself that I want to work with this actor, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. So I went all in. Okay, I went for the meeting. We had a really nice conversation. Our first meeting was just, I felt like I was home. I felt like this is
sweet,
how
yeah.
every project should feel, And I remember that very day, she got me 2 cups from Starbucks. That's where we met, as a gesture, as a gift, because I found them very cute, because I have 2 cats, and it was like a Halloween mug with, cats on it. So I was like, nobody does that in the city. Nobody has time for you in the city. So that gesture went a long way, and look where we are.
It went really long.
It went really long.
And absolutely such a heartwarming story. मतलब मैं कंट्रोल कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरे को हर 2 सेंटेंस में बोलने का मन कर रहा है. So I'm like, Yash, let him speak. And now when you say it that you were prepping for Bahubali,
Yeah.
I think उनका loss हो गया because you would fit perfectly in that. मैं अभी जब देख रहा हूँ, the look,
Yeah,
the look
yeah.
that they were, the kind of people that characters were playing there, the beard, the
I
chiseled
also
face.
had the long hair. So this was basically a
Oh.
Bahubali. Netflix was making a show called
Acha.
The Rise of Shivagami. So they were going back in prequel,
Nice.
which nobody knows of yet, because the story is obviously there. The writers and the creators know of where the story is in the past and where it is right now.
Correct.
So yeah, when they were making the show, they were going back in prequel. It just didn't happen. The show didn't happen.
And I like how while you were answering, you actually spilled over into my next question, which was going to be that, Kunal, you have been brought up in Abu Dhabi,
Yes.
correct? When you come here, क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा ये पूछते हैं कि ये इंडस्ट्री एक डिफरेंट वर्ल्ड है. First you've been brought up there. First you come here. Fine. You have Indian roots. You come here. You first adapt to the lifestyle here.
Yeah.
And then before you can settle, तुम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जाते हो जो खुद में एक देश है.
सही
उसका अलग एक कल्चर है. कैसे अडेप्ट किया इतने जल्दी?
भाई आई थिंक मुझे टाइम लगा यार. मैं 2017 की आखिर तक पहुंचा था यहाँ बॉम्बे, और इधर उधर कुछ ऑडिशंस दिए जो मुझे ऑब्वियसली कुछ आता नहीं था, तो क्लासेस कौन सी ज्वाइन करनी है ये भी नहीं पता था मुझे.
करेक्ट.
स्पीकिंग टू अ बंच ऑफ पीपल इन द फैशन स्पेस, जो कोऑर्डिनेटर्स वगैरह होते हैं, उनसे बात कर करके मुझे धीरे धीरे चीज़ें पता चली. फिर मैंने नीरज कबीर सर की वर्कशॉप की,
नाइस.
साथ मैं बैरी जॉन सर का भी एक कोर्स कर रहा था 3 महीने का. एंड I think that groomed me quite a lot as an actor. It gave me a reality of how we must approach a certain thing, because I was not okay. I didn't have the idea of being okay with making fun of yourself, or being okay with getting I had inhibitions, lots of inhibitions. तो वो उनका निकलना जरूरी था, and that's what helped me get
Do you
confident.
think those workshops opened you up a lot?
Yeah. वो मेक श्योर करती हैं कि आपकी इनहिबिशंस तो निकल ही जाएं, आप
चलो बढ़िया।
लूज तो हो जाओ, आप इजी हो जाओ, आपकी बॉडी में कुछ फंसा ना हो. तो आई थिंक दैट हेल्प मी माय क्राफ्ट, एंड विद इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड ऑपरेटिंग इन द इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ फाइनेंस एंड जस्ट लिविंग हियर.
मुक्ति
It took
अभी
time.
मतलब शादी को भी इतने साल हो गए, तो अभी लेट हो गया, बट मैं नाउ आई नो व्हाट लाइक ही इज सच अ गुड ओरेटर. क्या आर्टिकुलेट करता है यार बातों को, बढ़िया. बट नाउ सी जनरली वी गेट टू टॉक टू पीपल अबाउट लाइक अरे हु वाज योर क्रश, ये वो अलाना फलाना सिंगल लोग. हमारे पास कपल्स कम आते हैं, सो हम ये पूछ सकते हैं दैट नाउ the way he described the first time you all met, the sweet thing that you got him those mugs because they were apt, and it's really cool.
No, मैं बताती हूँ यश, हम तो फ्रेंड्स हैं, मतलब कॉलेज फ्रेंड्स हैं, तो we just know. I just can't see anyone unhappy. I don't know, I have this
Yeah,
thing of
correct.
कि क्या है, परेशान क्यों है, चलना, मतलब
छोटा सा gesture can
literally,
change
हाँ, मैं कहा
things.
चल now everyone is happy, let's move together.
But-
so I felt before doing like a script reading and getting to know each other, so you order your stuff, everyone settle in, but there was something very unsettling at that time. So I was like, wait a minute, there must be something going on in his head, and lockdown ka time hai, and they're like small kittens at home, and he has left and his head is just there, and then the city makes you एक तो this just
झिंझोड़ देता है.
हाँ, मतलब एक जो whiff and splash and whips लगते हैं यहाँ पर. So then finally you arrive, okay? You meet the director, producer, everyone is there, and then before you get into the flow, I was like, ये flow में आ नहीं पा रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? And then that's when I was like, maybe that's the thing. He got so happy and so like in the thing of, okay, now that we are one, let's read. I never saw anyone giving their all at reading. People do it at their final take, और जब टेक पे कर लेंगे ना, यहाँ पे एकदम फ्लैट रीड करते हैं
It's
जानबूझ
like
के,
डांस में अपन जैसा बोलते हैं ना, मार्क करना,
मार्क
like
करते
just
हैं,
stage mark करना.
हाँ.
Yeah.
एंड देन जैसे डांसर्स की अलग लैंग्वेज है कि ये तो फाड़ दिया, ये
हाँ.
कर दिया, राइट? बट इन एक्टर्स देयर इज अ थिंग ऑफ मूड है तब करेंगे, फाइनल टेक
सही में.
में. So you're still waiting for that magic to happen.
Correct.
But what if that magic is every time you're reading it, you're adding something new? I was like, that is so professional, and that is something when I went to Chicago for doing like acting on camera training, because I was so familiar with stage. I was like, मुझे कुछ I need something else. So when I went to the US, that's when Barrow Group New York, Broadway Dance Center, then all these, I just like jumped into the class to know कि ये
Correct.
क्या है, what is it in the West that we are not doing it here? It was that, horse blinders on and doing the job and giving 20,000 variations, and this is what a director wants. That you have a tiny Hermione bag and you're
Correct.
like,
हाथ
I
डालो,
am
बीच में निकालो.
full
You're
of
just pulling it up,
ideas,
yeah.
like you.
What an example. क्या बात है.
And that was something I was like, oh my God, like I wish I had that. And he was not getting tired of it, जैसे
बात
एक और बार करें, एक और बार करते हैं, एक और बार करते हैं. And it wasn't like perfectionism, annoyingness, nothing. It was excitement. And it was
Correct.
giving him joy. So उसको बस देखते ही जाओ.
It's like
Like, wow.
somebody has a shelf full of
Yeah.
exciting toys, and then that person is like, मैं ये वाला खिलौना दिखाऊं, मेरे पास एक और है, मैं ये वाला
हाँ.
दिखाऊं. So he was just adding to the project.
Yeah.
So very safe to say कि पहले टाइम में ही, चाहे वो प्रोजेक्ट हो ना हो, जिस तरीके का क्राफ्ट और जिस तरीके का मेहनत तुम लोगों ने एक दूसरे को दिखाया, the professional mutual respect had come
Yeah.
right from the beginning.
Yes, yes.
Correct?
Perfect. You got
बट
that spot
अगर
on.
पर्सनल साइड पे जाएं तो क्या मतलब ऐसा है क्या कि दोनों में से किसी को भी ऐसा लगा कि लिसन ही इज सो नाइस एंड सच अ जेन्युइन पर्सन, और शी इज सो क्यूट एंड बबली चर्पी और एनर्जी, थोड़ा क्रश है, ऐसा हुआ
Crush.
कि एकदम प्रोफेशनल हो गए थे तभी?
See na, like when you have gone through school, college,
Yeah.
and entered, I was done with all the reality shows that I did in
Correct.
the beginning, and then 6 years of doing so much theater and everything. I was not smitten by anyone,
करेक्ट.
and it would take me years to be smitten by anyone. So I was just like, हाँ ठीक है, because I am in my own bubble and I can create anything.
देयर
I
इज अ
can.
मुक्ति ऑब्स्टेकल कोर्स दैट दे नीड टू क्रॉस ना.
I'm just
ये
saying,
पार करो, ये पार करो.
when you are acting, so in real life when you meet people from the industry, हमें नहीं पता है कि उनकी acting रुकी कब है.
क्या बात है.
Isn't that true?
गाइस
Very
थोड़ा
true, very true.
सब पॉज करके अंदर लेना पड़ेगा जो बात बोली है.
So
Hard.
how do you make out who's genuine and who's not, right?
True.
So you are being your best and you're giving your best to everyone, so that's it. But then if somebody shows up even like 1 year later is when it began. He was like, listen, I have an audition to work
Okay.
on, but I need really good cueing because it's an international project.
Nice.
And I want it to be like bang on. I was like, ठीक है, तो let's meet at the studio. I thought this is professional, and then हम मिलेंगे एक साथ queuing हो जाएगी, ये सब हो जाएगा, done. And then I helped him, and then he was like, do you have any other, like, do you have a project to work on? And I was like, I do, but that requires me to be in the car and everything. That I have to drive and I'm angry and all that. So like, गाड़ी में जाके करते हैं.
Yeah.
And the way he gave the cue, he by-hearted the lines. Like, if I have to be in the audition, his professionalism was like next level. And I was
क्या
like,
बात है कुणाल.
भले ही मुझे ये project मिले ना मिले, this process is so amazing.
नो द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ये लेना कि मेरे क्यूइंग की वजह से उसके हाथ से वो प्रोजेक्ट ना निकले. क्या बात है.
So then so we are meeting after 1 year, okay? So we knew that, okay, you're professional, you're good looking, good, okay, you're not from here, amazing, nice, all that. ठीक है. But then when you see that you're so helpful, you're so selfless, you are also like so watchful of, so I was like, he's a good human being, yeah. He's a really nice person. So I told you that.
नहीं but
No,
now
just
she's
to know
saying
it
that
again,
because
I-
she's knowing it again.
Thank you.
Yes, good.
हाँ, काफी टाइम हो गया इस बात को, but I'm like, to relive that, I was so happy in a way that there is a good soul out there.
क्या बात.
Because I had completely shut myself. I had completely, like, beyond certain like acquaintance or something. उसके बाद I was like, इससे ज़्यादा I don't want to stay in touch because I had to guard my door, you know.
Correct.
I had to be like, okay, I need to constantly be shifting from
Yeah,
one
because-
project to the other. I don't expect anyone to like be behind me or kind of, or be ahead of me. I was like, wait, somebody is ready to walk with me.
Correct.
Brilliant.
And also if wrong people enter your that बोलेंगे ना स्पेस ऑफ सैंक्टिटी, फिर क्या है ना तुम्हारे वर्क में भी स्पिल ओवर होके तुम्हारा मेंटल स्पेस हिल जाता है फालतू का.
Mental space.
तो जरूरत नहीं है ना उसकी.
Yeah.
And Kunal, for you, like when you approached her for that audition, was it just because you thought कि इसके साथ मेरा मोजो भी अच्छा था, काम भी अच्छा रहा था, ठीक है वो प्रोजेक्ट नहीं हुआ, and the vibe was great, she is the right person for this, or it was also that she's also a nice person, probably I could be friends with her and this is a good icebreaker?
I think if you, as in when you audition with somebody, obviously, it's heavy energy exchange.
Correct.
Right? It's literally off everything. You're jumping into somebody else's life and becoming something else. And it leaves an impact on us, you know, as actors. I think that's how we shortlisted on what we wanted to do in our careers. And because of the fact that it has that sort of an impact, I knew time is very little. I need, if I'm sending a test across, it's not like I've not sent substandard tests before or with substandard queuing. I mean, I was still grateful for it. I still am right now. But enough is enough. I needed somebody who could really, really cue the hell out of me and I'm giving it back, you know,
Correct.
as per need.
Yeah.
And I knew that she has the seriousness for it. And I can she gave me that comfort to talk to her as
Nice.
a friend, not as somebody who would take things in another way altogether, you know. तो वो comfort, वो सच्चाई मुझे already मिल गई थी मुक्ति से.
क्या बात है. सही टाइम पे उसने लैंग्वेज स्विच करके सच्चाई वाला वर्ड बोल के ना एकदम दिल जीत लिया.
Satyavachan.
Satyavachan. Okay. We also know that just 4 days before your wedding, okay, Mukti was still shooting for Life Hill Gayi.
Yeah.
And Kunal was planning the wedding on his own. How was that experience, Kunal? First of all, I have to tip my hat off to you for being so supportive. Because see, किसी का भी हो, लड़का लड़की either ways, जिसकी भी पहली शादी हो रही है और नहीं पता है, उन लोगों को थोड़ा सा पैनिक होता है. बिकॉज सी देयर इज अ लॉट गोइंग ऑन. फैमिली का एक्सपेक्टेशंस, द कमोशन, द अरेंजमेंट्स, इट्स नॉट इजी.
Thank you for clarifying. The key word is पहली शादी.
Yeah.
So how did you take that?
Honestly, जितने लोग भी मुझे जानते हैं अभी तक, in from my media space, Abu Dhabi, जितने भी शहर में move हुआ, the people who know me, they know that I've always believed in the relationship. I've always believed in marriage because my parents have a happily married life. You know,
Correct.
I've only seen goodness and enduring things in life mainly, and been inspired by it also and aspired by it, because at the end of the day, I imagined myself settling down, having a good family. These were my aspirations because I grew up watching that in my house. So yeah, I mean, I was very confident. बस यही थी बात कि मुझे वक्त बहुत लग गया शादी करने में, to find the right partner in my life. I'd given up also, just like her.
He also, he went to London for his masters, and after that, 7 years he was in Dubai working. But he kept thinking in marketing and media, buying and planning. But then his heart was like somewhere else. He was like, I have to find, where I need to be. And imagine he's in Dubai, settled, everything is cool. All parents are asking is, बस बहू दे दो हमें.
No, but
सब सही.
26 तक तो
Imagine.
मम्मी photographs दिखा रही थी मुझे.
बताओ.
26. And I actually got married at 36, 10 years after. So
Wow.
मतलब good things take time.
100%. And I think तेरे मुंह से ये सुन के मेरे को थोड़ा हार्ड हिटिंग भी लग रहा है, बट अच्छा भी लग रहा है, क्योंकि मेरे को होप आ रहा है, बिकॉज आई एम 36 राइट नाउ, और मेरे को भी ऐसा लग रहा है दैट आई प्रॉबेबली लाइक एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट 27 28 तक मेरी शादी हो जानी चाहिए, 30 तक एक बच्चा. तो लोग बोलते थे देखो बच्चा इतने जल्दी क्यों चाहिए, तो मैंने बोला इट्स जस्ट अ विजन इन माई हेड दैट टिल द टाइम माई सन और डॉटर टर्न्स 10, आई एम वेरी गुड एट अ लॉट ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स. आई वॉन्ट टू बी दैट एक्टिव कि मैं उनके साथ खेल सकूँ. मेरे को इतना अच्छा आने का फायदा क्या है जब अपने बच्चों के साथ नहीं खेल पाया. बट देन विद टाइम योर ड्रीम्स एंड एम्बिशंस ऑल्सो चेंज. लाइक तब मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि मुझे मीडिया में आने का मौका मिलेगा, जो मैं मतलब आई हैड केप्ट इट इन माई क्लोजेट समवेयर. इट वाजंट an opportunity that was coming, but वो कीड़ा हमेशा रह गया. So when that opportunity came, suddenly dreams and targets changed, and now I'm chasing what I want. But time तो निकल ही रहा है.
It takes time.
No,
And
but
then
this is
COVID
the year.
also.
You never know. Year is not over yet.
And COVID ate up a
Manifesting.
lot of time for everybody also. It was a good
Absolutely
2.5
यार, 3 साल
years.
कहाँ चला गया पता ही नहीं चला.
Yeah.
But
मैनिफेस्ट कर दिया है, और इस साल कोई ना कोई आ रही हैं.
तथास्तु कर दिया ना तूने.
तथास्तु.
चल, ठीक है. With this said, do you think that generally, like ऐसा बोला जाता है कि partners who really get along well and तुम लोग का vibe भी वैसा है, should not get into work together or should not work together? And I know everything has an anomaly and there are exceptions, but here you two have started a venture together. So Mukti Manch तुम दोनों साथ में manage करते हो. From what I see on social media, it's a very busy
It is a
oriented
touch wood.
place.
It's a busy.
Touch wood. But
But we have a very good team. It's the
Okay.
team. We have
That's great.
nothing without the team.
But कैसा लगता है साथ में काम करना? Do you think the vibe changes from how you are at home and how you are at work?
The vibe remains the same. The tonality changes as per situation sometimes. Sometimes she has to be a little bit more assertive with me. Sometimes I become a little assertive with her. But then there's a lot of harmony. There's a lot of because it's not like a typical corporate structure.
Correct.
It's creative. Our art form is nothing without each other. It's collaborative. It's always going to be collaborative. One person's never doing everything. तो वो decorum और camaraderie और वो excitement बनी रहती है studio में.
But अगर मैं पूछूं मुक्ति, तो do you think there is a like a Kunal B, a different version of Kunal that comes to work, or is he just himself?
Like वो पुराने जमाने में जो वो कैसेट का वो हमें साइड चेंज
Change
करना
करना
पड़ता था, वो तो होता है. वो तो मेरा भी है.
तेरा भी है ना? So there is a different work Mukti and work Kunal, right?
Yeah, 100%.
But they get along really well as partners.
But I'll tell you, there is an unspoken switch that if I am being so involved, looking too much inside and being creative in terms of what the words should be, how the lighting should be, how this should be, he goes into the logistics. without
Nice.
me saying that that should be done. But he's like, okay, let me support this, let me do that, let me do this, let me get a new better lighting for this. Okay, we need a really good mic, we need this, so he started amping up the place.
Nice.
And technically like being so sound, which I have no idea because I've
So
never been
basically-
from that field.
Basically, it's fair to say that Kunal is a very solution-oriented person.
Yeah.
And that's a good kind of, like, even if he wasn't your partner, even to have that kind of a member in your team,
Yeah.
such a handy member to
Thank
have.
you, man.
No,
Thank
but
you.
I genuinely think that somebody should complete you. Like it's always right hand and a left hand.
Correct.
It can't be two right hands. Otherwise, like it's
दोनों
it's
right hand
no-
मिलके पंजा लड़ाएंगे.
That's too much. And one more thing, I feel like because मैं इतनी बचपन से dreamy and like people think like I'm this bubbly.
तेरा एकदम
मेरा
वो
एक है.
गीत वाला वाइब है ना, फर्स्ट हाफ
हाँ.
की गीत फ्रॉम जब वी मेट.
मेरा बचपन से ही शादी करने का बहुत शौक था. But I thought the way the world looks at it, I never saw that. I somehow knew that there is another spotlight on people who get married. But while I was getting married, it was a lot of work, and I don't think it is an achievement. It is another step. Like
बात है?
अगर तुम स्कूल से कॉलेज आते हो तो पहला दिन कॉलेज का आपके माँ बाप को थोड़ा ना फोर्स करते हो आप 2-3 करोड़ लगाओ मेरा पहला दिन है कॉलेज का.
Correct.
It's another step.
Correct.
Work hard on it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So it's not like with marriage, the psychology is different.
Absolutely.
Because it has a lot to do with, like, it's heavy. I just think it's a lot, it's very heavy on parents, especially on the girls' parents. And it's a lot of responsibility. And then, and after the marriage, it's a lot of responsibility on the guy's
Girl.
parents.
Guy's
that
parents,
nobody
yes.
talks about.
Correct.
And I was like, this is a beautiful step and something to celebrate that you can complete each other. It's just like day and night, right, left, everything. But anyone who thinks that this is an accomplishment, achievement, now I can settle, now I can flaunt, I don't, like, I just feel like, wait a minute, I don't want to be party to that kind of, because, oh, now welcome to the other side. And I was like, nahin, main kisi side mein nahi hu. I feel I'm blessed to have found him, and I think he also feels that way. And
Yeah,
both
about
of
her,
us
about her
are
entire family, her parents. There is, मतलब हम लोग तो
it's
ऐसे.
beautiful, yeah.
No, just a small thing, like that day, Shakti's episode premiere was there and Uncle was talking about it and he was just giving some anecdotes from the past and Kunal was seated in the first row, I was in the third row, he was right in my eye line and he can listen to it and he can probably not listen to it with 100% attention, 90 से भी सुन सकता है फिर भी समझ जाएगा बट उसकी पूरी की पूरी अटेंशन वहां पे अंकल की बातों पे and he's
saw
giving
that,
those
huh?
nods when he's saying those things. That's his way of showing respect to, and that's what you need. And I'm so glad कि तू इतनी candid तरीके से ये बात कर रही है कि शादी achievement नहीं है क्योंकि लोगों को ना वो finish line लग रही है. It's actually a checkpoint. रेस खत्म नहीं हुआ है.
नहीं, हाँ.
शक्ति
आगे
दी के
भी भागना है.
एपिसोड में did you see she was eating, she's like, आज मैंने खाना बनाया, मम्मी will be very happy, अब तो मेरी शादी हो जाएगी. And I was like, I'm on the other side now, I'm able to see how I used to behave. Because please, we have to stop treating it like it's an achievement. It is a next very important step.
Correct.
More than that, the more I'm on the other side, now everyone is asking another question because the questions will not stop. When is the child coming? When is the next child
हाँ, सब
coming?
आएगा.
When is that coming? So, look, like, log to kahenge, but
Correct.
it's just like, what kind of change do you want to see in your life and your parents and your partner? And this is that inner circle is the most important, most sacred place. That's it. Because you want to come back home to that. And then it should refuel you to kind of be more creative. Choose better roles. Have better things at the studio. Or, it should replenish you. It should not drain you.
Yeah.
100%. How long did you all date before you all got married? Because these are the kind of conversations, the kind of clarity she's coming with. ऐसा लगता है तुम लोग ये सारी बातों पे भी सेम पेज पे थे, तुम लोग ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर चुके हो. That's why this kind of easy communication,
Yeah.
easy
Yeah.
relationship दिख रही है.
when you reach this stage of your life where you don't have much space for conversations that aren't as direct as they should be, you don't really pay so much attention to it. But again, we had that clarity from our own individual lives also and what we wanted. It took us some time to see if this was really going there. We were a little scared कि पता नहीं क्या होगा, because we've had our fair share of relationships in life and fair share of hurt and fair share of pain and then coming to realization that we need to focus on work and live our lives. When we reach this particular stage, हमें तो ये लगा कि फैमिली अपब्रिंगिंग्स सेम है, हमारे सोचने का तरीका तक ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, फिल्म्स के बारे में जो हम बात करते थे, परफॉर्मेंसेस के बारे में जो बात करते थे, हर चीज़ हमारी मतलब ऑलमोस्ट एक ही जैसी थी. तो एक दैट वो बहुत ही फ्लो तो बहुत बढ़िया बन चुका था हमारा कॉन्वर्जेशन में. Just a few things that I think we still needed clarity on was how are we really going to get married? Are we talking about marriage? Are we there yet? But I think we were there,
Again, why? Because
Also
of
work.
the way everyone looks at marriage. And so it was so far away from, is this marriage? Because is this companionship or friendship or a great bond but a working bond or beyond that? What is it? And before we could answer, the family was ready. Bus! यही है. And I was like, wait, let us
सांस
figure
लेने
it
दो,
out.
थोड़ा सांस लेने दो.
Let us figure
but
it
you
out.
see,
But
like the region where our parents are from, like her father's from Haryana, Mama is from Saharanpur, which is UP.
Correct.
My father's from Rajasthan, Ajmer.
Correct.
And is also
Mom
very
is
close
from
to Rajasthan.
Agra.
Mama is from Agra, UP. So मतलब the language and the jokes
पूरा
and
खानदान सेम साउंड करता है. And I was like, what?
literally
हम पहले
बचपन
क्यों नहीं
में growing
मिले?
up also TV में भी हम लोग same shows ही
सडनली
देख रहे
तुम्हारे शादी के फंक्शन में से ये हम आपके हैं कौन का सेकंड पार्ट कौन बना रहा है?
सही में it was that.
True.
बट दैट्स सो कूल टू नो. एंड आई थिंक मेरे को अभी है ना रियलाइज हो रहा है जो मुक्ति ने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था वो कितना सच है कि पर्सनली एंड प्रोफेशनली तुम लोग कितनी चीजों में कितने अनकैनी तरीके से सिमिलर हो.
Similar.
सो आई थिंक दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम टू प्ले दिस गेम विद यू गाइस.
Oh, bring it on.
द गेम इज वेरी सिंपल. इट्स कॉल्ड हु इज मोर लाइकली टू. सो
Okay.
मैं एक सिचुएशन दूंगा, वो सिचुएशन में तुम दोनों में से कौन किसके ज्यादा चांसेस है. अब तो मेरे को लग रहा है दोनों के ही चांसेस होंगे,
Yeah, वही.
बट ज्यादा कौन. ठीक है. So you have to point at the person. If it's you, you point to yourself or to the
I'm
other
very
person.
competitive. I'll do this and this. Okay.
मुक्ति टाइम का कुछ नहीं है
There's
तो तू
nothing-
आराम
These
से
days, a
पॉइंट
lot of choreographies are doing well like this.
पहला तू दूसरा. ठीक है. So who's more likely to keep a secret for a long time?
She.
मुक्ति, I'm surprised at this.
Changed ना मेरे भी जगह आ गई
चिंकी तो बहुत चेंज हो गई
My
यार.
stomach is open now.
क्या बात है. Okay. Who's more likely to party through the night and come back at the wee hours of morning?
100%.
Did not hesitate at all.
Yeah.
क्या बात है.
Yeah.
Who's more likely to lose their cool in a crunch situation?
It could be me these days.
Aww,
If I say
Mukti.
that, it's subjective actually.
Yeah,
if she
both of
hasn't
us.
yet, then I will. If she already has started, then I will take care of her.
And people are
Calm her
like,
down.
hey guys आज मुक्ति को गुस्सा नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि आज मुझे आने वाला है. No, but nice. Subjective, definitely.
नहीं, but his is so unpredictable. It's literally like हम मूवी का बख्तावर होता है पूरे सबको पता चल जाता है. Okay, calm down.
ठीक.
Yeah, if I'm upset or if then I will make sure that it's known to people around.
क्या बात
But
है.
not in a disrespectful way.
But that's good
In
because
a
nowadays
more
if you,
like,
It's also rare.
come on, you can't even get this done. That way.
but if you don't let them know,
Yeah.
it becomes a habit. So I'm glad you
True,
do let
true,
it know.
true.
Who's more likely to say sorry first?
Yeah.
Kunal is a cutie यार. But cutie with a K.
Cutie the cake.
Okay. Who's more likely to plan the holidays to the T? मुक्ति, why am I not
Sure.
surprised? तेरी बहन हर चीज के लिए पीपीटी बनाती है, तू एक दो चीजों के लिए तो बना ही लेगी.
Yeah. But to make it happen,
So that's a perfect partnership ना.
family trips or anything, I don't have to do anything. It's like I figure it out.
You're the planner, he's the executor.
For the baby, for the parents, for you, and in different zones, you see everyone is partying.
क्या बात.
Yeah, it took me some time to understand कैसे करना है ये सब, but कर लिया. Because I did media buying and planning. I used to manage media investments. in all forms of media.
Then तो you're prepared for any kind of chaos. So
Yes, sir.
you just need to understand किसका vibe क्या है.
Correct.
क्या बात है. So who's more likely to forget the anniversary? Oh, what a look.
I don't think that's happening.
You got your trailer.
Glad.
But if it does, then I have the idea. I sometimes live every day as not knowing if it's a Saturday or Sunday or.
एक साथ भूल जाते हैं.
हो सकता है.
एक साथ याद आता है.
No,
then we
also
celebrate.
both of y'all are in the acting industry. If you're shooting and all, what date and what day it is very
That
difficult
is-
to keep a track of it in the middle of a project.
But anniversary की क्या date है वो पता है. आज क्या date है वो नहीं पता. This can happen in like.
Such.
Yeah,
ये सच है. Okay. Who's more likely to sleep for 12 hours straight?
दोनों हाथ खड़े कर दिए मैंने.
Women need more
Allah.
sleep. Women need more sleep to
Thank
recover.
you.
So yes.
Absolutely.
100%.
Why not?
I don't wake her up.
They're dealing with more things, multiple
100%,
things. They need it. So that was our who's more likely to. In question से मुझे एक revelation भी मिला है
What's
that I
this?
think the way you talk about Kunal and the person that he is, he's like a modern day version of Raj from DDLJ. वो सब चाचा की क्या पसंद है, बुआ की क्या पसंद है, मम्मी को क्या पसंद है, धीरे धीरे सबका दिल जीत लेता है.
तुम्हें मैं भगा के नहीं ले जाऊंगा. शादी करके ले जाऊंगा.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
क्या
So, and that's a great thing because nowadays it's a difficult trait to find. So Kunal, kudos to you for that.
Brother, I
Being that
learned it
person.
from my father. अब मैं ये हूँ तो सोचो अब मेरे father कैसे होंगे.
So
I mean,
then-
I try to be even 10-20% of him.
Credit to uncle.
Dad,
He's
okay,
a
dad is
dad,
a
mom,
corporate
both.
guy, but raised him and his little brother like army kids,
Nice.
like army kids, like
Yeah.
very first you, please, lady first, like that. And I was
Yeah.
like, is your father an army man? Because you have that.
I think हम लोग अच्छा एक बैलेंस क्रिएट कर रहे हैं पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ का. बट अभी प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में तुम लोगों के काम के बारे में थोड़ा पूछना चाहूँगा. That we've spoken about how you guys are together as
Yeah.
partners when
Yeah.
you're running Mukti
Yeah.
Manch.
Yeah.
But how are you guys in your professional setups when you are not like together? Like Mukti as a work person in the middle of a project.
Yeah.
When Mukti comes home, do you see that Mukti is in a bubble and ठीक है उसको bubble में रहने दो, we do not need to disturb her because she wants to be in a certain zone for that project. ऐसा होता है?
No, actually, on the contrary, I'm included in the same bubble with her.
क्या बात?
I take part in everything because from the time she receives the script to literally finishing the show or the film, I'm with her through and through everything.
क्या बात है?
लाइफ हिल गई शूट हो रहा था मेरी लाइफ गाड़ी सब हिल गई थी भाई. मैं I was going to see her and there was this truck that came running down from the slope and bam.
Yeah.
And she
That
fasted
was
for me
scary.
Karwa Chauth. This was before the
Before
wedding.
the wedding.
बच गया. It still worked. You know, these small things, you don't know if they're going to work or not, but they actually do.
No.
क्या बात है?
तो लाख
But
लाख
this
शुक्राने
happened
हैं.
close to the set? when you were
No,
going to
when I
meet
was
her?
on my way
अच्छा.
in the ghats.
Oh God.
He was coming to Nainital to meet me.
Correct, because पूरा shoot वहीं पे हुआ है.
Life हिल गई. Basically.
And before that, like we like there was no network, and I was like, he's gonna come. I know when he's reaching, and I had the live location. I was like, he's gonna reach, but he reached before time, and like in a way that like I could see that he's still there, not there, no network. And then when I came down, I was like, how? Like he showed me the images. At that time, he didn't tell me anything. Okay. And then I saw the car and then the whole door. It was impossible for the driver also to get out. Okay. And he was on
Yeah,
the
it
other
was mad.
side. And it was mental. We were just like, oh my God, thank God nothing happened because everyone is planning the wedding. Everyone is like, you know, and he's the main guy, you know, he is the guy who's planning everything. And Neeti Di and Nihar ji, they all were like literally kahan par kya hoga, and then all the departments, you know how it is. I was busy in my own world shooting. I had 2 days off and I was like, it's the perfect time, please come here.
हमें बेसिकली कैची धाम करना था और द लास्ट टाइम आई वाज शूटिंग इन मुक्तेश्वर अगेन आई वाज वेरी क्लोज टू कैची धाम शी वाज शूटिंग समथिंग एल्स एट दैट टाइम सो हमने कहा कि चलो अगली बार जब मौका लगेगा तो जाएंगे शी एंडेड अप शूटिंग फॉर लाइफ हिल गई इन द माउंटेन्स
Nice.
और कैची धाम पास ही था तो मैंने सोचा अब करवा चौथ हुआ है शादी की प्लानिंग चल रही है ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि मैं आपके सेट पे आप आपको आके मिलूं नहीं, देखूं नहीं, बिकॉज वी डू द सेम थिंग, राइट?
करेक्ट.
और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मतलब 24/7 बैठे रहें और डिस्टर्ब हो जाए, तो दैट स्पेस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट इज देयर. तो बस एक दिन आई थिंक 2 days बिफोर और 1 day बिफोर व्हेन शी वाज अबाउट टू रैप द शेड्यूल देयर, हमने सोचा कि चलो चलते हैं वहाँ पे खुद भी हिल के वापस फिर वापस.
That's scary, यार.
Yeah, it was scary.
But glad you got out of it. Like you weren't hit or anything.
Nothing, nothing. I was just
Surprising.
shocked कि भाई वो he had no remorse, he had no nothing, he just hit it and passed. He didn't stop.
Yeah.
बाहर में जाए, कोई लाइफ की परवाह ही नहीं है, ना कोई वैल्यू है.
But coming back to the, thank God nothing happened, but work-wise and even bringing work home or bringing home to work, we have an unspoken line. But when it comes to the process, we try and make it fun. Because it's not like if I'm binge watching a show, I'm in my own zone and he is prepping for his work, or vice versa. He will make sure that he's like, let me know when you want to read together, because you never know what perspective he can bring, and you never know what perspective I might give him.
Basically, you all are creating a
So
very
we-
conducive working atmosphere at home for the person, whoever is doing the project, uske liye. And that
Yeah.
is fantastic.
Because this is the phase where we are at. But there was this time when Kunal was working on this Haryanvi boxing show, and it's gonna come out this year, by the end of this year,
or next year.
or maybe next year on Netflix. And that was the time he had to transform physically. He had to speak another language. He had to be in that zone. He had to have horse blinders on.
Correct.
Diet is changed, waking up time, sleeping time, everything changed, okay? And then I was a little like, okay, I need to be on the same track, otherwise I will miss out on
Correct.
who he is becoming. Because every day there was, and thank God Papa Haryana se hai. And I could somehow give those cues and help him with ऐसे नहीं होता है,
Nice.
ऐसे होता है. And क्योंकि थार के लिए भी I spoke in मारवाड़ी, तो वो राजस्थानी एक अलग फ्लेवर है, because मैं बिट्स पिलानी कैंपस में थी.
Correct.
एंड आई वाज इन बिरला बालिका विद्यापीठ विच इज़ इन राजस्थान, पिलानी फॉर 9 years. तो एक टच था, एक आई न्यू दैट फ्रॉम द फैमिली बैकग्राउंड एंड दिस कि कहाँ से कैसे वो करना है. बट व्हेन इट केम टू हिम डिलीवरिंग दैट एंड लुकिंग द पार्ट एंड डूइंग द थिंग, यू विल नॉट बिलीव दैट ऑडिशन वेंट सो वेल. द डायरेक्टर आस्क्ड हिम टू come and meet me, and when he went and then he spoke to everyone, everyone was like, how did you speak in that language? It looked like you're from Haryana. He's like, my wife helped, and her father speaks very well, so वैसे.
But it's beautiful how
Bihari
things
district
come
में.
together. मतलब तुमने कहाँ सोचा होगा कि तेरे roots and your dad can speak Haryanvi and you know a bit of lehza, the
Yeah.
anecdotes, and that will come to your aid like this.
Yeah, but पता है, I don't know, somehow I don't understand that even the work, if we are talking about work, so as an actor and as a dancer, I have a different thinking hat.
Correct.
क्योंकि, and also when I'm thinking theatre, that's how you are collaborative. क्योंकि एक से दूसरी बात होती है, दूसरे से तीसरी बात होती है, and that's when you're like, हाँ ये मिलके करते हैं, so then that becomes better. In theatre that happens. You have a bigger green room. You don't have smaller vanity rooms.
Correct.
Yeah.
So that allows you to like और अच्छा बेहतर बना सकते हो आप अपना सकते हो वो लाइंस को जो राइटर ने लिखी थी, राइट?
Correct.
या फिर राइटर के साथ बैठ जाओ या किसी के साथ बैठो. ऐसा नहीं है कि 5 दिन में शूट कर रहे हैं, see you on set. And I was like, what? Like that freaks me out sometimes. And the funny part is the higher you go and the recognition spectrum अगर हो जाता है ना कि हाँ आप एक्टर हो, आप अच्छे एक्टर हो,
Correct.
एंड आपको समय ही नहीं देता है कोई.
True.
So now that is what we are getting at, and now good that we have the opportunity to like kind of throw this at each other so that we are like well in
You're
tune.
taking your own time, prepping in
Yeah.
your own bubble, because there वहाँ पे लोग क्या expect कर रहे हैं, ये आके ही अपना magic spill कर देंगे.
Exactly.
So, and as unrealistic as it sounds, but it's
नहीं
just
होता
the
है.
industry's norms right now. They want to reduce the shoot dates. They want to, increase the number of hours. Nobody wants to spend more. There aren't any budgets.
Nobody wants to give you time for pre-production.
And so much content.
Yeah. मतलब ये एक pre-production का भी एक time है.
Correct.
At least अगर आप if you're shooting for 30 days, at least 60 days is given to pre-production in Hollywood or anywhere
Correct.
else.
Yeah.
But यहाँ ऐसा there is nothing. Now set is ready, go shoot.
Correct.
Otherwise rains are coming, or otherwise शादी season is coming. That is the thing.
नहीं, एब्सोल्युटली, एंड आई थिंक काफ़ी अच्छा सपोर्ट सिस्टम तुम लोगों ने एक दूसरे के लिए तैयार किया है, तो इट इज़ एक्चुअली एन एडवांटेज के दोनों एक्टर्स हैं. एंड एक्टिंग की बात करेंगे तो कुणाल, आर यू द काइंड ऑफ एक्टर हु प्लान्स अहेड और हैज़ अ चेकलिस्ट और अ विश लिस्ट कि मेरे को ऐसे टाइप के जॉनरा में तो कुछ करना ही है, या इस तरीके के डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करना ही है? डू यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ अ विश लिस्ट? आर यू दैट काइंड ऑफ अ गाय, और डू यू जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो?
Both. I actually do have a list of directors that I want to work with. From some of the directors I've been very fortunate to have already worked with.
One of my favorites. So yeah.
Karan Anshuman, Kanishk Verma, Umesh Bisht, Karan Dara. I want to work with Vikramaditya Motwani. I want to work with Anurag Kashyap. I want to work with Randeep Jha. There are a whole bunch. Surya Balakrishnan, the one who's behind Cough.
Yes.
Really, really brilliant creators, directors are there, and I really look forward to working with them. These are the people
Ram Raghavan sir.
Ram
My
Madhvani sir. Ram Madhvani sir is amazing.
Ram Madhvani sir, also
Yeah.
Sriram Raghavan.
Sriram Raghavan is amazing.
Director, like who
Prasanna sir is amazing. Like there are, there's also the director who made Loot Case, Krishnan sir.
Correct.
Yeah, amazing stuff. So really,
He
I
has
really
his
look
list.
forward to. Yeah, I have a huge list.
And Mukti, are you also a person who has your checklist, or you're the person who takes one step at a time
I think I take it as it comes.
as it comes?
As it comes, yeah, because I think वो लिस्ट बनाने का फायदा ही नहीं है. बहुत बना के बहुत पहले जला दी, फाड़ दी, फ्लश कर दिए. Because you have to grow up. You have to, like, for a person like me, I had to grow up and I had to be like, no, dreaming is not enough. You have to apply. You have
Yeah.
to figure it out. Okay, today, what is it? So that you can be true to the moment. So if even in terms of like, even if, although I know they're good, but what are they doing right now will be very different from what they did earlier.
Correct.
Because I have worked with people depending on their past work, but then suddenly they go somewhere else, yeah. As soon as money comes, I don't know what happens. So
Core
you're
ही
like,
change हो जाता है.
हाँ, like core change हो गया आपका. तो I was like, अरे, then maybe from far that was more inspiring, you know. So then when you come to it, I feel I need to sit one-on-one. And I have a very, very low attention span. But when I sit with the person, I'm in a vacuum. I feel like I have created my attention span like that so that I gauge in fully.
Correct.
And then receive the information well and then take it. So I take it like one-on-one, that today, how are you?
Nice.
What do you want me to do? Then I can like operate from there. Because wo checklist or wo sab, I think
Correct.
a lot of people have those manifestations. But when it comes to also redefining genres, to giving something to the girls that maybe probably this character is portraying. So I'm going in that direction where I want to represent. I want to be more, which has not been done before.
Correct.
So एक
वो
अलग phase है.
quintessential लड़की का phase बस हो गया. वो same नहीं करना है.
क्योंकि वो बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं.
कर चुके हैं.
मुझे करना है. मुझे करना है. Boy next door, करना है. Definitely करना है.
Yeah, I think.
Like
And तेरा है वो vibe. तेरा वो charm. You'll do justice to that character, if I might say.
I believe, and I would give it my all to make sure that I at least deliver something that is worth speaking of. Maybe if not
Yeah.
commendable, I would make sure that I
तेरी अच्छी groomed beard की थोड़ी कुर्बानी होगी, because they'll bring it down to a stubble.
bring it on, यार. I'm very happy. पता है मेरे साथ usually हो क्या जाता है, यार ये हीरो के साथ टक्कर खा जाएगा, तो करके it just gets stuck somewhere. I've reached final shortlist many times, and because I get into the skin of it, I try to relate and read the script and analyze it as much as I can, because that's one thing that I was not able to do. And I think because of meeting some really like amazing people in the industry and directors who I've worked with, Karan Dara being himself, who's so musically intertwined with his work, and it's an entire experience when you watch something with him and the creators I've worked with. It's
Karan Dara used to assist Mohit Suri,
Yes.
and now he he made 2 series on his own.
We've done
and now it's
Dhanbad
gonna
together,
come.
which is a nice show set in the 1970s in Dhanbad. The coal mafia, Lathet वगैरह बहुत अच्छा show बना है.
बढ़िया.
Makarand sir plays my father in it.
अरे क्या बात.
And yeah, it's got a really, really good cast.
Oh, good cast.
Harish Khanna is there in it. There's Akash Dahiya, who's the Sutradhar of the story. So, good bunch. Then there is a Legal Affair, which is a Geo show, I believe. And that's got Angad Bedi, that's got Barkha Singh.
Badhiya.
It's got myself, Malvika Raj. It's a nice story. It's actually a remake of this show called Suspicious Partner, which was on Netflix.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
Nice.
they've sort of drawn inspirations from it. And musically, very, very nice. So, we're looking forward to that happening. at some
Absolutely.
point.
We are looking forward क्योंकि देख तेरे हार्डवर्क का देखो डिसएडवांटेज तो कभी नहीं होना चाहिए
वो तो कभी
और
भी
अगर वैसा हुआ है तो वो उनका लॉस है अब वो पे ऑफ करेगा.
But I'll tell you one thing. Just a month before our wedding, Animal released.
अरे बाप रे.
संदीप सर तो बेस्ट है यार. संदीप सर ने बोला कुणाल आई वांट यू टू डू अ लिटिल समथिंग. करेगा? मैंने कहा सर आप बोलो ना मैं कुछ भी करूंगा. यू आर द फर्स्ट वन हु गिव मी माय ब्रेक, यू नो. इट्स बिकॉज़ ऑफ यू पीपल नो मी.
करेक्ट.
एंड आपकी वजह से जहाँ से मैं एक्चुअली निकल के आया था दुबई से, मेरे को एक्चुअली उधर भी रिकग्निशन मिली कि तेरा यार अच्छा पार्ट है यार, तो अच्छा काम किया तूने पिक्चर में. तो संदीप सर वाज द रीजन. You know, I had that experience so earlier on in my life.
And in that film, I feel like even though they were talked about a lot by the audiences,
Yeah.
I don't think the fraternity and the critics gave the credit that the two friends deserved. You and the other guy. दोस्तों ने बहुत सॉलिड काम किया एक्टिंग वाइज एंड वो दोस्तों को देख के ना ऐसा लग रहा था कि मेरे ऐसे दोस्त होने चाहिए. लाइक दे ब्रिंग हिम आउट ऑफ अ शिट शो लाइक एंड मल्टीपल टाइम्स. ओके एंड what you do in that film as a character वो मुक्ति ने रियल लाइफ में तुम्हारे शादी के टाइम करी थी. तू अपने शादी के 2 दिन पहले उसके पास जाता है और वो बोलता है तू यहाँ क्या कर रहे है, तेरी 2 दिन में शादी है. नेक्स्ट थिंग यू नो तेरे शादी के पहले उसकी हो जाती है. सो यू नो मुक्ति वाज शूटिंग एंड देन यू मस्ट हैव बीन लाइक मेरे साथ मेरी फिल्म जैसा क्यों हो रहा है.
एक्चुअली में एनिमल से रिलेटेड यही हुआ कि जब सब लोगों ने पिक्चर देख ली तो दे वाला अरे रश्मिका मंदा ने तो इसको धोखा दे दिया. बट ये तो सही निकल लिया, इसने तो मुक्ति से शादी कर ली.
There's some people who are still in the film, right?
film.
They're living the film.
Yeah.
मुक्ति एक क्वेश्चन जो तुझसे तो पूछना बनता है. You've danced in a reality show as a contestant.
Yes.
You hosted it.
Yes.
You've acted.
Yeah, I've judged also a
You've
show.
judged.
2 seasons.
You've become an anchor for multiple shows. You've done comedy circus. You've done web. You've done films. इतना सब करने के बाद ऐसा कुछ लगता है क्या ये रह गया, ये छूट गया, कुछ ऐसा है क्या जो तेरे को अभी भी लगता है कि यहाँ मैंने अभी तक हाथ नहीं डाला और मुझे लगता है कि मैं अच्छा. You've done theater, वो भी हो गया.
Yeah.
So ऐसा कुछ बचा है जो तुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभी भी मेरे को एक्सप्लोर करना है.
These were
गाना.
हाँ गाना नहीं गाया.
But she sings very
I
beautifully.
want to no that was in a play that I had to train properly for like 1 month.
वो तो तू सिर्फ
and
अपनी
तब
बहन को
किया.
बोल के थोड़े दिन छुट्टी पे चली जाए तेरे को गाना मिल
ऐसे
जाएगा.
नहीं होता
हर
है.
दूसरा गाना वो ही गा रही है.
हर सिंगर का बेटा या बेटी सिंगर होती
No,
है.
no, like she's been singing
It doesn't-
everything in the industry right now. Tell her to go on a holiday. You will get the song.
No,
Neeti Dee is actually a mother
She's
figure
killing
to
it.
the
She's
sisters
killing
and,
yeah, she's 100% killing it. But I feel I've been working in really broad strokes.
Okay,
I want to get into the details of it.
nice.
Like I want to get into, like if I'm acting, I want to cover comedy, action, romance, thriller. I want to open up those genres. That's why like when 11 came, although it was offered as do you want to play a victim, are you okay, because it's not a major part in this, but I was like no, I want to portray that. I want to feel like it, like what is it to for any woman to feel that, because being from Delhi I know it's scary to
correct.
get back home after dark. Like I am a family of 4 daughters. हमें बोलते थे कि चलो अंधेरा होने वाला जल्दी घर आ जाओ.
Correct.
So there are anytime it's the reflection of the society, I want to do the part.
Absolutely.
No matter how small or big, because I was like, if you're not representing and if you're doing something in your own bubble, which I thought acting used to be, it is not that. If we have that power to give that, you know, to the viewer that, yeah, I relate to this, that happened to me, I know this character, I know this. Even Thar, they're like, अच्छा गाँव वाले ऐसे थोड़ा ना होते हैं. Can a woman have a higher libido? Yeah, why not? So I wanted to step away and be like,
Nice.
I want to step outside myself. If I can zone in, open it up for my own self, I was like, I'm gonna sleep peacefully.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो यू किल्ड इट इन थार, क्योंकि
Yeah.
पहली बात तो कोई तेरे को एक्टर का सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो उसको मिल सकता है इज
हाँ.
कि kudos to the casting person who thought you could do that.
But I was not supposed to play that. There was no role like this. Do you know this,
Banaya?
Yash? So this, like, if he's saying, right, there's something common between us. We come right till the end of top 2, and then I always receive a call. Is it okay? After like 5-6 rounds of auditions, we are going ahead with, I don't know who's making this list, but somebody calls it A-lister. So we are going ahead with an A-lister, but are you okay playing this primary part? I was like, batao. Because काम करना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
Correct.
That's what, this is the value that we came with. So then थार में गौरी का कैरेक्टर लिखा, बनाया. अनुराग सर ने उसके डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं. राज सिंह चौधरी सर was like, Mukti, trust me, whoever will see this will remember something about this lady. I don't know what, but I have a very strong
I'm
feeling.
glad they created that character, because that character, like anybody who knows you in person, it is miles away from you. And
Oh,
if
yeah.
you convince people that you are that, then I'm like, kudos to your power of being that character.
Yeah.
Your, like, the kind of artist you are. Matlab,
No, but then thank you. But I genuinely didn't know that it'll take me there. मेरे पास लॉकडाउन में टाइम था. Being honest, and I was like, okay, I have never explored this, and I've been playing like no. I have my own walls, my own direction, my own world I want to be in. Okay, go back, like, home after work, and then so I never roamed around in parties, roamed around in circles, or looking for work actively. And I was like, if this has to come, it'll come through an audition. When
Yeah.
auditions used to not be a thing. Honestly, I have auditioned for certain things when they told me that, are you ready to cut your hair? And I said, for an ad, no. They're like, but your sister has shorter hair. Without an audition, Shakti Di got that ad.
seriously.
That has also happened. Yeah, because, and I was like, that's okay. But I was always this person who's like, I want to prove my mettle, and I don't want to come through via this,
Correct.
that, just because I have a sister, this is easier for her. I never want, I will never be able to sleep peacefully or live with that fame or
but
name.
now that
know?
you mentioned, we talked about Neeti also a bit, and now you mentioned Shakti. They both had already, like, achieved certain things
Yeah.
that were way above the standard that was required that point of time.
Yeah.
You being
Yeah.
the youngest,
Yeah.
you entered when they were already, like, एक DID जीत गई थी, एक already Channel V का पूरा show जीतने के बाद had become a proper artist who was performing with A.R. Rahman sir and सब.
Getting Filmfare and-
Filmfare सब हो रहा था. तो देखो, कभी उसका additional pressure feel हुआ या सिर्फ inspire हुई?
Honestly, pressure क्या? पूरे time people call you by their names, no? Not your own name. So, identity crisis, bro.
Fair enough.
So, and not only that, अब ये तो इंडस्ट्री में बहुत बाद में हुआ है, at home. और खुद ही मम्मी कहती, like, नीति, Shakti, so no, and in the school, you have teachers saying, look at your sisters performing. What is this?
बट वो नाम वाला तो ठीक है सबके साथ. मेरी मॉम तो मुझे
हर
मेरे
जगह
मासियों
होता
के नाम से बुलाती है, फिर मामा जी का फिर मेरे नाम पे आती है.
But internationally, it's slightly different. Like I have that spectacle on.
Correct.
I know Neeti Di as somebody who did Chandu Ke Chacha on her own.
Correct.
I know Shakti Di because she was a choreographer and she won in the reality show. I knew her as her individual identity.
See,
I didn't know they
great.
were related.
Great.
Oh.
So for me, all the three
That's a
sisters,
no.
4 sisters,
Yeah.
they've proved their mettle in the industry.
Correct. And that's
Individually.
fantastic.
Yeah.
बट मुक्ति, थार की बात कर रहे थे.
हाँ.
बीच में बड़ा गैप आया, तूने सब कुछ किया टीवी में, रियलिटी शोज, होस्टिंग. थार केम, कुछ मेटल वाला प्रोजेक्ट आया,
Yeah.
वापस थोड़ा सा गैप हुआ,
Yeah.
और फिर बैक टू बैक प्रोजेक्ट्स आए. तेरा 11-11 आया, तेरा लाइफ हिल गया आया, तेरा वेडिंग
Wedding
स्टोरी
story
आया.
आया.
सो एक में तू कर रही है थ्रिलर,
Yeah.
एक में कर रही है हॉरर, एक में कर रही है प्रॉपर ड्रामेडी. ऐसा थोड़ा सुकून मिला कि इतने टाइम तक हासिल करने के बाद कुछ रिजल्ट
Thank
आया?
God. Something had to release, but वो एक ही महीने में आ जाएगा. I had no idea.
तेरा
Genuinely.
सिर्फ प्रमोशंस का ही कंटेंट आया उस महीने एंड आई वाज लाइक सो हैप्पी फॉर यू.
Yeah.
एंड दैट आई थिंक कुणाल इट्स राइट अराउंड द कॉर्नर फॉर यू, क्योंकि ये जो तू बोल रहा है ना कि सब लाइन में है, आ जाए यार बैक टू बैक, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Yeah.
I think that's great, but now since we are talking about acting and depth,
Yeah.
I wanted to get both your point of views on how do you deal with when something doesn't materialize for a long time? How do you keep yourself in a positive space? कैसे कर लेते हैं?
So Mukti Manch is a handful. And our
Yeah.
families,
A lot of
brother.
work.
Our families are... टाइम कहाँ चला जाता है नहीं पता चलता है.
अच्छी बात.
He will understand.
हाँ.
You know
He's
it.
one of those who
You
will
know it.
understand.
You know.
Family oriented,
Yeah,
बड़ी
yeah, yeah. अरे
family.
कितनी मासियाँ हैं
That's
आपकी?
glad. But Mukti for you also.
बस.
हाँ, 8
कितनी?
मासी है, बस 8 मासी है.
8 मासियाँ हैं?
हाँ, correct.
बस.
You mentioned.
Yeah.
So for you also, is it the same? Like Mukti Manch and family keeps you like on your toes, busy?
Throughout, there are days when we are trying to curate programs, curate new, ways to bring people from people who are, just walking into Mumbai like मुझे कुछ बनना है, कुछ करना है. From writing to acting to direction, everything has, something or the other there. And apart from that, it allows us to be in tune with what is happening in the market.
Correct.
Now, touch wood, anything that we are not aware of, it's already happening at Mukti Manch.
Correct.
Yeah.
So we got so many different international filmmakers coming and booking the space
Yeah.
for their casting
And you're
work.
interacting with so many different artists, so exchange of point of views is also so important for an artist.
even in music spectrum, वहाँ पे गजलें भी हो रही हैं और वहाँ पे rap shows भी हो रहे हैं.
क्या
We're like,
बढ़िया.
what? Like the vibe is so good.
Yeah.
And so I think that is managing it well, and also quality check is required.
अपन मुक्ति मंच के बारे में अभी थोड़ा इन डेप्थ बात करेंगे. उसके पहले ना तुम्हारे साथ एक गेम खेलेंगे. हाँ.
Done.
कुठला गेम खेळायला?
अरे
Oh.
सो आपण एक गेम खेळणार आहे एंड द गेम इज दिस और दैट. सो यहाँ पे ना मुक्ति को माइंड में रखते हुए कुछ एकदम ऐसी सिचुएशंस है जिसमें वो दोनों चीज़ें उसको बहुत पसंद है या दोनों नापसंद है, एंड वो कंट्रोवर्सी में उसको एक चूज करना है. नाउ हियर वी नीड कुणाल टू सपोर्ट हर, एंड ही कैन ऑल्सो वे इन इफ हिज ओपिनियन इज डिफरेंट,
Okay.
एंड यू हैव टू पिक क्विकली दिस और दैट.
Okay.
ओके.
बर.
मुक्ति द एक्टर और मुक्ति द डांसर?
मुक्ति the actor.
Mukti the actor.
He only has to answer, no?
No,
Or I
both
can
of you
also.
all. Both of
Okay,
you
okay.
also. It's about you only. Mukti the actor or Mukti the dancer?
Actor.
Okay. Mukti's favorite, Madhuri Dixit or Sridevi?
Sridevi.
Good. Mukti having a cooking and gossip session with mom, or Mukti having a chit chat about literature and poetry with dad?
With mom. Oh, with mom.
Oh,
with
and
mom.
Papa
with mom.
also, yeah.
Yes, Papa also, 100%.
हाँ तो तू तेरा वाला आंसर देना. That's Kunal's perspective.
Mine is
बहुत
mom.
यार, like मेरे को लड़ाई नहीं होएगा.
Okay. Mukti, what do you love more, street dance or Bollywood dance? Hip hop.
Bollywood.
Bollywood, yes. Mukti, the anchor and host, or Mukti, the participant in a dance show?
Participant.
Participant.
Way better यार, and lesser time also. You do your thing and wrap up and go back home. ना host में पता है कब तक रुकना पड़ता है.
Mukti would love to do a comic role
हाँ.
or a negative role.
A negative role.
A negative role. Wow.
Not bad. Sync में हाँ.
हाँ.
What would you rather do? A small impactful role in a big banner film, or a lead role in a small meaningful film?
Lead role in a small meaningful film. For sure.
But you never
She's
know.
thinking.
Yeah. Like
No,
what?
because-
What if you? This will give you.
I also thought that would be the answer, because now sometime back, like I love how you were so clear about that. If there is a message,
Yeah.
or they are trying to break stereotype,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
if there
yeah,
is
yeah,
something like that, I'm
100%.
game.
I'm game.
So then if there is a film with
Yeah, yeah,
meaning
yeah.
and all.
Plus, also in today's time now, newcomers see the audience has surprised everybody, right?
Correct.
A film has worked.
Correct.
Correct. Mohit Suri is a very good director. Musically, he's very much in touch with how he wants to show his filmography. But they're newcomers. They're freshies.
Content
So-
is king वाला जमाना वापस आ रहा है थोड़ा.
आ गया
Like अगर heavy है content and it's good and the performances are great, then you don't necessarily need star value
सही
or
बात
bigger
है.
production houses.
सही बात है.
True.
Correct. Okay. A dancing session with Shakti or a karaoke session with Neeti?
A karaoke session with Neeti because I
That's
a
really-
few days ago I literally told her I was like I want to get back to singing and I want to
क्या
train.
बात है?
She's like bring your phone I'll tune into your Tanpura
But
and I
any
think
day
you are
she'll
a
do
G.
Shakti dance, Shakti Di
But-
के साथ dance for sure.
But the more things what I end up doing is dancing with Shakti Di.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So-
True. That is true. But good that you want to get back to singing, and then
Yeah.
who better than Neeti to have at home to guide you and just
True.
Manifesting.
guru. Okay. A really nice movie at home
Yeah.
or a sport or an activity outside.
Sport or an activity outside.
देखा है मैंने तुम्हारे
Yeah.
फैमिली पिकनिक में भी तुम सब बैडमिंटन खेलने लगते हो. So yeah, good. Okay. You're in a pickle, you screwed up. First call, Shakti or Neeti?
Neeti.
Me actually.
That's actually the right
That's
answer.
actually the
because
right answer.
Right now, the
Yeah.
first call
But
would be Kunal.
I don't think I need to call because he's right next to me.
He'll be right there. But अगर वो होगा तो पिकल होगा ही नहीं ना. क्या ही तुम लोग you will not be in a screw up.
Correct.
But yeah, okay, Neeti. हाँ, but हो
Why
भी
I
जाता
picked
है.
up Neeti Di because she has been my mother and father both. She's
Exactly.
been
And
the
I was
parent.
just gonna say कि तुमको ट्रबल हुआ है और कॉल करना है वो आदत है नीति के साथ बिकॉज शी इज मैनेज द हाउस ऑल्सो एट अ वेरी यंग एज
True.
तभी तुम लोग छोटे थे पढ़ाई कर रहे थे
True, true.
सो शी इज अ मदरली
You know what will happen? If I'll call Shakti Di, she'll be like, wait a minute, let's call Neeti Di.
exactly
both-
and then there will be a con call so you'd rather go directly
Yeah.
also this is my perception I know Neeti less but I know you and Shakti really well Shakti is such a stickler for rules
Yeah.
शक्ति उसमें एनालाइज करके पहले इसका गलती निकाल देगी
Yeah.
तुझे किसने बोला था गोलू ये करने के लिए
Exactly.
so she's too strict
So
sometimes
that's why I don't want to call her. I'll call Neeti Di.
yeah so that was our game I think you both did well I think
Thank you.
Kunal surprised me sometimes with his answer coming faster than yours and it was the right answer
Yeah.
and I like the last touch
I
also.
liked your-
मुझे कॉल करेगी
So
100%.
you made it so tough for me. You know me so well.
था ना थोड़ा ऐसा कश्मकश में डाला ना मैंने तेरे को.
Makash. Like it ठीक ठाक से ठोक ठाक होने वाला था.
But she
Nice.
likes being in Kashmakash for a while.
that only you can
She
tell us.
enjoys it. She, I think, gets a kick from it, to be honest.
क्या बात क्या
Because
बात
she knows what she's going to do,
correct
but then she swims.
you
in
know
the
where
area
that
for a
comes
bit.
from Mukti loves drama
Yeah.
मुक्ति के अंदर बॉलीवुड है
What is life without drama?
and
You know-
Nothing.
First person who ever like of course हमें पता ही नहीं था कि हम ये प्रोफेशन भी चूज करेंगे या हॉबी रह जाएगी या what will happen. The first person who ever called me Bollywood and then that name became like Bollywood.
Yeah.
सो मैंने कॉलेज में उसको बॉलीवुड बोलना इसलिए शुरू किया था वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस फिल्म्स एंड ऑल वो अलग था बट व्हेन एवरीबॉडी यूज्ड टू डांस इट्स अ कंपटीशन सो एवरीबॉडी इज ब्रिंगिंग देयर ए गेम एंड दे आर ऑल इन द सेम टीम दे आर डांसिंग
Yeah.
एज अ ग्रुप but wherever Mukti is dancing now your glance stops for an extra few seconds because her expressions
Yes, brother.
like she's doing the same choreography that the others are doing but her face dances on a different level
Yeah, I actually asked this question
sweet,
recently
thank
कि यार ये
you.
मेरे साथ ही है कि और लोगों के साथ भी यही होता है. See, मैं तो आपसे प्यार करता हूँ तो I don't know if I'd be ever able to remove that spectacle and look at it, but no man, I think I can.
100%
There is something about you that I'm able to just only look at you.
वो बैकअप डांसर में लीड का एक्सप्रेशंस करती है अगर करेगी कभी तो दैट इज हर स्टाइल
But
लाइक
that's how
मैं
I
कुछ
pick-
छोड़ूंगा नहीं
Yeah.
मतलब एक भी चीज छोड़ूंगी नहीं वहां
She
पे
serves the face very well also.
Very, very nice.
Extremely well, yeah.
Serving face.
नहीं she has really really good expressions and
Thank
that
you.
works for her that's why I called her Bollywood then and then now whenever I call her I'm like hello Bollywood
Bollywood.
कैसी है so we meet like that and that's great and since we were talking about Mukti liking a little bit of drama it's only fitting that Mukti started a venture you too
Yes,
started
yes.
Mukti Munch which promotes and preserves and
Yeah.
brings a platform to actors
Yeah.
and I just want to hear a little bit about this venture from you guys. Of course, I know about it, but आप लोगों से better कौन बताएगा? What is the
100%.
vision with?
So I'll tell you, I was just making a children's play because I hated it. रोज मैं पार्क करके जब घर जाती थी तो I used to see kids being on their phones or iPads and it used to disturb me. I used to be like, there has to be a way that you're seeing an 11-year-old or like a 14-year-old involved in dance, drama, because that's what we grew up with, you know. Neeti Di is doing her
Pure
riyaz
joy.
and Shakti Di is doing her split. I'm trying to imitate her because I grew up in that culture. And being in hostel, of course, TV ही नहीं है. There is
Correct.
no TV. In fact, in the common room, every Sunday we used to see Doordarshan only. So we're like, what more can you see? You see Chitrahar, that's it. Or you watch a match or you watch news, that's
Correct.
it. So we're like, this is an idiot box. We don't want to actually look into this. Let's create something new. Let's do something new. Mom used to, मतलब मम्मी कपड़े बनाती थी और ऑलरेडी हम पैक करके तिरंगा झंडा
क्या बात.
या फिर एनुअल फंक्शन में ये करना है एंड दैट्स हाउ वी ग्रू अप लाइक दैट. सो it used to really bother me in a way that I was like, if I'm not able to apply this in my life, what am I trying to do being an actor? You know? And I was doing theater and I was like, I think they don't know what theater is and how much fun it can be to sing, dance, act, create that, you know, relationship amongst each other, because you're not only understanding yourself while saying certain lines, you get to understand everyone.
Correct.
The dynamics of how to give respect, how to play a status, everything.
It's like everybody comes on the same plane.
Same plane. And it's a force to tell a story, you know, let's present a story together. So that unites people. So I don't know, I wanted to give that magic. तो मैंने कहा कि एक रात मतलब ऐसे ही नवरात्रि में माइक है, सब कुछ है. तो then I went to the society and I literally said that मैं छत पे फ्री में 1 महीने के लिए खाली एक्टिंग क्लासेस कराऊंगी and I'm starting my production. Whoever is game, please come up. भीड़ आ गई. 22 बच्चे आए. And then and I was like, अब मैं क्या करूँ? And then I had no idea. Then I sat with Papa and Papa writes. He wrote a poem. I converted that along with Shrishti Gautam, Tarok Raina, Vikhyat Gulati. So we were 4 of us. We were like, क्या कर सकते हैं? कैसे बनाएं इसको? So there was a poem. We created a 9-song musical. Taught those kids, casted them and सबको एक read करवाया कौन कौन से character में fit होता है. Literally got like outfits, stitched, made them into flowers and हमने बगिया में बगावत एक नाटक create किया. And like I used to drive Innova, मैं बच्चों को मैं बोलती थी कि you know you sit inside.
मुक्ति दीदी की फन बस आई है.
हाँ,
बैठो सब.
हाँ, सब बैठो and then यहीं पर ही like in this studio, Nritya Shakti, in Studio C, we opened the show. Akash Khurana had come. He saw it and he's like, I would like to give you guys a platform. पृथ्वी में perform करेंगे.
क्या बात है.
वापस से इनोवा भरी. मैंने कहा बच्चे जो बच्चे फ्री नहीं है ठीक है, जितने बच्चे फ्री है आ जाओ. I literally painted my face and became a flower and
So sweet,
did all
yeah.
that. But this will not generate money.
Correct.
What are you doing? You are, you know, you have to be mature and you have to be this, you have to be that. So I was like, there is a higher calling and I don't think you can replicate that with production after production because it's not resourceful. So you need an umbrella. So my father came up with the word कि सबको एक मंच चाहिए होता है and that's going to be Mukti Manch.
क्या बात है.
And that's how the Mukti Manch literally, like, he gave birth to Mukti Manch. Also,
आज भी ना हम लोग ये numbers ऐसा कुछ नहीं देखते हम लोग ना, finance वगैरह. We're not a corporate structure like I said before. हम लोग
Correct.
It's like we're making a new path. We're making something very relatable in today's times that is still connected to our past.
Correct. A collaborative project where artists are coming together.
yeah.
जैसे कि न्यूट्रिस्यूटिकल्स में होता है कि आप आयुर्वेद भी डाल रहे हो कहीं से, क्योंकि वो इंडिया की स्ट्रेंथ है.
Correct.
तो हमारा आंगिका वाचिका आहार्य इज दैट. इट्स नॉट स्टैनिस्लावस्की, इट्स नॉट माइजनर, इट्स नॉट स्टेला एडलर.
But I genuinely, I think अगर मैंने भरतनाट्यम में ये सब नहीं सीखा होता from my teacher back in school, Mrs. Priya Dinesan ma'am, I wouldn't have learned a theory behind क्योंकि नृत्य और नाट्य के बीच में नृत्या है. You know,
Correct,
there
yeah.
is a story telling. There are musicians used to sit live.
Correct.
The artist used to just perform from here, and without, like, if you're sitting at the back, 5,000 row में बैठे हो, but you could still feel what that
What they're
person,
feeling. क्या
the
बात है.
breath. There's so much breath work which is involved with voice. Just with voice, there are multiple things we can do. Imagine 3 years ago, podcast industry ही नहीं थी. What we are
Correct.
doing right now.
Correct.
This has become such an important tool now.
Absolutely.
And if you watch your breath, if you understand your throw, your pitch, you can get into storytelling. You can get into there are faceless channels these days making so much money from
कभी
it.
कभी अपन ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि वो जब बात करता है
Hmm.
वो बांध के रखता है लोगों को.
Correct.
That is what you're trying to say. That's a person who takes the right pauses.
Yeah.
Takes, like, has a control of their breath के correct जगह पे सांस ले रहा है. Like, that's what we call a good orator, a good
Yeah.
storyteller, or a good narrator.
सूत्रधार.
सूत्रधार. तो
Sutradhar. But
यहाँ पर
in any, sorry to cut you, but I got a little excited about when you spoke about Natya Shastra, and also there are the biggest thank you that I want to say today is to Adi Shakti. Veena Pani Chawla ma'am is not there anymore, but that same year, I think 2014, when she passed away, like 1 year before, the course wasn't happening, but I waited, I was literally waiting for a calling, or literally a light to fall on me, or somebody to give me that direction, because I knew you're nothing without a guru, a teacher, and starting from my family, Neeti Di got it from Sir A.R. Rahman sir, Shakti Di got it from Terence sir. And I genuinely had no guru like that, or anyone who could show me, there you go, you already have it, just go for it. That nudge, that, little...
Hand on your shoulder.
Yeah, hand on my shoulder. It was Vinay sir, Nimmi ma'am. They don't even know today, but they changed my life.
So cool.
And they allowed me to see and appreciate Indian dance forms, Indian acting forms, Indian breath work, जो भरा है and महासागर है. The people talk about method acting and Stanislavski, Chekhov style, what all style and methodology, because internet में वो है.
correct.
We are yet to explore. Then we are
बढ़िया.
at that stage that the more we dig, the more we find, So which is why I was like, this is an endless, ocean. We should just open it up more. And it opened so much for us that it has given us more than we taking from it,
कई लोगों को लगता है कि वी आर टीचर्स एंड नाउ इन्होंने इतना क्या काम कर लिया कि ये लोग पढ़ाने लग गए अब. See, the idea is not that. We are
Yeah,
not
that-
teachers. We are also, work in progress.
You're probably enablers, I think,
Zariya.
or catalysts.
Catalyst.
Yeah, catalyst is the right
Catalyst.
word.
The idea is that
Zariya.
चलो ठीक है, भगवान ने, ऊपर वाले ने, माँ बाप ने इतना अच्छा मतलब पढ़ाया लिखाया और इतना कंफर्ट दिया जिंदगी में, और काम करने वाले भी काम करते गए हमारे साथ. We've been very lucky and grateful like that. But for the people who still don't have, we wanted to make sure that we give them
100%.
a space.
And
कि
just by showing them the ideas, all the good teachers,
Yeah.
they showed up and they are finding us.
we'll get the
So,
best people to train
Nice.
you.
My
the
God, like,
best.
super
And
blessed.
more than anything, I'm loving the vibe that the Munch is so accessible to people, and that is something you all have managed to create. And से बोलते हैं ना, there is magic. We are waiting that there is magic waiting to happen. But बिना props और stage के तो नहीं होगा ना. वो stage और props आप लोग ला रहे हो. That's why I'm calling you all enablers.
Yeah,
You all are enabling what is happening there.
Yeah.
And ठीक है यार, that is such a great achievement in its own. So wishing all my positivity and all my luck for Mukti Munch,
Thank you.
and may it grow bigger. Like right now, from the vision I'm seeing in you all, it's just a toddler.
Yeah.
अभी तो और बड़ी चीजें
Yeah,
करेगा वो.
yeah.
अभी तो उसका टीनेज फेज आएगा.
आएगा,
जब वो टैटू
आएगा.
बनाएगा, जब वो
आएगा.
और बड़ी चीजें करेगा. He'll
Ready
say that
for it.
मेरे को और कुछ करना है. So all the best, and also looking forward to seeing Mukti and you in many more projects to come. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा.
सारे जहाँ से अच्छा. Finally, after I think 2.5 years, it took some time because कुछ चीज़ें रीशूट होनी बाकी थी and Pratik Gandhi was away shooting with Hansal sir for Gandhi.
Correct.
And you know how it works in the industry, dates आगे चलती जाती हैं and then something else comes up. So finally, I'm very excited.
So are we, and we
He's
will-
playing an agent.
Oh,
And
nice,
that is something that we can reveal. Other than that,
Just that
anything?
part.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just that
I'm playing a
part.
raw agent in the show. It's a 1970s period. Period.
There are
spy
two things that are
espionage.
going to be raw in it. Your post, like the agency you're working for, and your acting. Because I love the way you
Yes.
portray yourself. I think you will do a great job.
I
And
tried to do something different here.
देखेंगे, मजा आएगा. एंड मुझे बहुत मजा आया आप दोनों से बात करके. मुक्ति, आई होप तू और मैं तो चल.
Yeah,
आई होप
yeah,
कुणाल हैड फन. What
I had
did
a
you
great
guys
time,
think?
brother. I did. It was really a lot of
Like
fun.
right from the introduction to your games to knowing me so well, but still surprising me. I'm proud to be a Thakur now because
And I have
now
become a
रोशन कर
Mohan.
दिया यार तूने.
I've become a
Yeah,
Mohan and
yeah,
Pandey.
yeah. बात है.
Now sweet.
Nice.
This is
So,
amazing.
love
But
you guys.
We had a lot
Big
of
love
fun.
to you too, brother.
A
Thank you
lot
for
of
giving
fun.
us so much respect and love.
Genuinely.
And
Thank
thank you so much for making time coming here. And I am so happy. And can't wait for the edit and the reels to come out because
Yeah.
some conversations that we've had. And you guys, I hope you all liked the episode. If you all liked, like, share, comment, the usual.
And subscribe,
वो bell
yes.
icon, subscribe करो, bell icon वाली घंटी बजाओ. And please write to us in the comments what you liked. If you have questions for Mukti and Kunal, we'll try our best to answer on their behalf if they don't.
Yeah.
So just have fun, be safe, and see you next time on the next episode of TikTok with Thakur.